Hey guys, here's a new fan I got yesterday. This is a 52-inch SMC A52 Old Vic Ornate. So I got this off of Marketplace. This is from February of 1989. So this is a later Old Vic. I don't really know why where Old Vic came from. I think it's just like part of the model name with A52, but I'm not sure. But this is the later Ornate version. But I also I really want to find the early Ornate version with the which is variable speed and with the Laguna switch housing. And they actually use the same faceplate for all from the early ones. And I also I really do like the A52, all the A52 variants. They're really cool. But I polished this one, and it kind of looks better, but it still has that like kind of chrome on it. I basically put like a polisher on it, and to make it like protected, and it looks alright, but it's okay. I really always like the detail of this, of like the blade brackets and like there's so much detail to this fan. I also put a tassel on it too. But yeah, this one also does have the smaller motor. Has the black motor instead of like the early brown motor, but so it has white stencil blades. It's a plain, and there's the top. But yeah, all SMCs turn to like chrome. Like this is supposed to be white and brass, but yeah, it turns to chrome. Here's low. It's surprisingly not that loud. I was expecting this fan to be much louder than it is, but the bearings are still terrible. But you kind of can hear them like right now. But I oiled them, but I'm gonna have to oil them again. So I blowing a pretty good amount of air. This was like right before SMC got really bad and with their products. Because like I believe it still has the full size blades. Up to medium. I really do like this fan. It's probably like my second favorite of the A52s. Here's high. It really goes pretty fast. Even for the smaller motor, it still doesn't like interfere with the like performance, and it doesn't really go that fast, but it still blows a lot of air. It does wobble a little bit. Did come with like an extender to the from the pull chain for the original SMC pull chain with the that looked like a tube, but that is long gone. So I thought this tassel would look better. These fans are really cool. This also adds to my Ornate fans. I believe it's my like 4th one, something like that. So yeah, it is a SMC A52 Old Vic Ornate. So yeah, that's it. Bye.